3 to 6 days, give yourself at least 1 day of rest, but at least every other day. So incorporate that in, and there's something you can do. Even if you're sedentary, even if you're bedridden, you can move your arms, move your legs, move your body around. Movement is very, very important. The lymphatic system is only engaged through movement, and the lymphatic system is very important for moving toxins out of the body. So walking, running, swimming, biking, even if you in the office, you lock your door, and you can spread that out over periods. So you can do 10 minutes three times in the day, getting up to your, or 2 or 3 times a day to get to your 20 to 30 minutes. Even if you're standing in place, waving your arms, moving your arms. That's what I say, close the door, put the shutter on. You don't want anybody to think you're going crazy. Of course, you can walk in the mall, walk in the street. Of course, if you can do it outdoors, it's better, because then you're getting fresh air as well.